Customers of Shrewsbury Cleaning and Windows have access to a customer dashboard where they can book and reschedule appointments, view payment history, provide feedback to cleaners, upload photos, and more. Let's get started. If you don't have access to your account yet, check your email for an invitation from info@stlwindowclean.com. The subject line should read, New Account. Learn what you can do with it. Another email will be sent to create and confirm your password, at which point you can log in. In the future, you can log into your account by going to Shrewsbury Cleaning's website, stlwindowclean.com/sign-in, and selecting Returning Customers from the drop-down menu. From there, you can log in with your username and password. Once logged in, an overview of your account will display the time and date of your next booking, the frequency of cleaning, and your rate. Clicking the blue View Details button will take you to an editing page where you can make small changes to your cleaning, select a new cleaner, add special instructions, or upload new payment information. Heading back to your main profile page, you can scroll down to view previous appointments, add ratings, and book again. In the menu bar at the top, there is an option to purchase gift cards and an option to refer your friends. Let's take a look at our referral program. Click on Earn Credits, enter in the email of the person you would like to refer, and click Send. That's all. When your friend clicks on the link to sign up, a $50 credit will be automatically applied to their account and yours. As always, you can call us directly with questions and we will answer them directly. Thank you for being a customer of Shrewsbury Cleaning and Windows. Have a great day.